Grab your Mountain Dew, guys.
Or any beverage of choice.
Yeah, beverage of choice. You grab a plastic bag like this, right? And I can pour some Mountain Dew in here. And I can try to get this airtight. You know? Cool.
It's not gonna seal. It's gonna overflow.
What do you mean it's not gonna seal? I'm trying to get it airtight. So you can see we only got a little bubble left. You can't get it like completely airtight, but close. Guys, I want to double seal this just to make sure that this bag doesn't break. But what we going to do? Oh boy, it might be too fast to get me. So now we have a double seal, okay? We need a cup of kosher salt, all right? Coarse kosher salt right here. So I get a cup in here. Don't worry, you're not eating this. But this is a part of the chemical reaction that's gonna lead to our little slushy. Guys, so I got my ice, right? I need it a little bit smaller, so I can put this into what's known as the Lewis bag in bartending. Put it in here, and just give it a hit with a little mallet. If you don't have one of these, just break up the ice somehow. Get it, just a little smaller. Ow! I really did hit the finger. Now I got a bigger plastic bag. Put my little crushed ice in here. Grab my Mountain Dew. Drop that in here. Y'all about to witness some magic right now, homeboy. You've never seen this before. Salt. Get all that air out. Getting cold, homeboy, getting cold.
Shake it.
And just keep shaking. Actually, check this out. Let's take a little peek. Woo! This will work out. This one will work out. Look at it though, look at it, look at it. I think we're good to go. Undo this. Get my middle bag up. Oh, snapperello. Now guys, here's what we could do. We could take this now, and we could cut off that corner, right? And we can get a nice little, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the peak. Huh? Can you tell me about peaks? Look at the peak on that bad boy. Mountain Dew slushy! It's dumb, but it's delicious! Alright? I know it's looked like a tipsy bartender drink, but this is alcohol free. Your regular Mountain Dew, take hours to freeze. This here, a little workout, couple minutes, and you're good. Guys, one thing I'd say about this. The texture on this is like a 7-Eleven Slurpee. Not like if you put ice and Mountain Dew in a blender and you blend them together. It's completely different. This is 7-Eleven.